Welcome back to the party. It is me, your girl BrittReacts, and today we're going to react to Skylark Wildflower. Let's see what happens.
She's faced the hardest times you could imagine, and many times her eyes fall back the tears. And when her youthful world was about to fall in, each time her slender shoulders bore the weight of all her fears, and a sorrow no one hears still rings in mid.
Oh. It's sad, it's somber, but there is a brightness to it. I don't know how to explain. I think maybe it's his vocals because they're so bright. But it's like, oh, da 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 da, like, oh, and then the lyrics, oh, her youthfulness is caving in. Oh, sweet girl, I'm just a girl.
Sorrow no one hears still rings in midnight silence in her ears.
Dude, why is it so sad? I don't like it. Stop being so sad.
For she's a lady. Let her dream.
Oh,
But she's a child. Let the rain fall down upon her. She's a free and gentle flower growing wild.
I was trying to figure out if so the background vocalist, I believe it's a one man and one woman. I couldn't tell, no offense, if the lady was pregnant. I can't tell if it's her dress or the dress in combination with the pattern of the suit the guy is wearing. Anyway, they sound fantastic. I love the thought of, right, like she's a wildflower and they're saying let her cry, let it out, like, you know, like tears grow, like the picture of like your tears falling and they being water that grows the wildflower is what I'm trying to say. Does anyone understand? Like, I feel like the alliteration there, is that the right word, is beautiful. I think it's much deeper than it maybe sounds in the beginning. This is great. Is this the 70s? Y'all know how I feel. We don't have to talk about it.
Growing wild. And if by chance I should hold her, let me hold her for a time. But if allowed just one possession, I would take her from the garden to be mine.
Oh, now. I think she is pregnant, which is amazing to me.
Be careful how you touch her, for she'll awaken.
Yeah.
And sleep's the only freedom that she knows. And when you walk into her eyes, well, you won't believe.
You won't
the way
believe.
she's always paying for a debt she never owed.
Oh, the way she's always paying for a debt she never owed. This is a beautiful song. His vocals are fantastic. The background vocals are fantastic. I love the soft, like the tempo, right? It's almost romantic. But, you know, the words are sad and true. It's such a true song for so many women, right? Like, life just gave them what it gave them, you know? I love the passion in which he sings. I love the afro. I love the suits. I love everything about the 70s.
And the silent wind still blows.
Let her dream, for she's a child.
She's a free and gentle flower growing wild. Let her cry. She's a lady. Let her dream. She's a child.
She's a child.
Let the rain fall down upon her. She's a free and gentle flower growing wild.
Ooh. She's, wow, this is a great song. So Skylark, the three of them, the three vocalists, or is Skylark just him? Let me know in the comments. This is so well written, I think, and composed also. It's just like a really solid track. And I don't think we get those as often as we think. Like when you hear a solid track, you know, this one is just, it's like the meat and the potatoes. You don't need anything else. It's hearty. It's filling. You get it. Y'all get it. You understand.
She's a flower growing wild. She's free and wild.
She's free and wild. She's young. Let her be. She's trying to figure it out. I like them. Them? Is it them? Is it a them? They're a group, right? Skylark? I don't know. I like the name too. All right. I enjoyed that. Let me know how you feel. And go and have the day you deserve, friends. Bye.